Drone. This one is except from one of the ICAO document, and ICAO view that is the drone of the future, where the drone, or they call unmanned aircraft system, or in the ICAO they call it remote pilot aircraft, RPA. So the remote pilot aircraft in the future, which is very near now, are able to fly side by side of the main aircraft in the similar airspace. That's why there's also you may hear about unmanned traffic management system. Those are initiatives toward this. And in the US during the COVID, because of the needs of supplying medicals equipment, medical vaccine, and many other medical apparatus equipment, FAA has given special permit to fly drone across people and across building to carry some of the goods. So during the COVID, that is the needs for that operation, and FAA has allowed special operation for that. And if you read about the company, they call it Zipline. The Zipline is a company which is the first company, I believe, which are introducing operation of drone to fly medical equipment, medical supply, as well as the blood supply in Africa. And now they are during the COVID, and I was listening to their video last night, and they are increasing their manufacturing of the drone as well as increasing their operations. So the drone is something which is not far from future, will be part of the important transportation system, which is flying in the same airspace as our main aircraft. So that is the future. Also, if you go through ICAO document, there's also there are have published very comprehensive module, they call it model regulation for drone operation in the ICAO member state. And also ICAO has regard drone as an aircraft to be treated like aircraft. And also there are standard and recommended practices annexes regarding drone will be published in around 2026.